Good morning, rockers. I'm on my I've got Lynette and Nathan with me, but other than that, everyone else has just gone off to get their supplies for the day from the local shop, because it's a Sunday and things are open a bit later over here, so we grabbed the opportunity while there was an open shop to get lunch, because today, similarly to yesterday, we are on a coastal road going through County Mayo, but I've thrown in a stop this morning at Ballycroy National Park. Thank you to the Wild and Ginger Cafe, or the Ginger and Wild Cafe. Don't know why I'm looking at my current coffee, I'm not there, it's early. But I think it's called the Wild and Ginger Cafe in Ballycroy. I rang them this morning and said, do you mind if 26 hairy bikers turn up? That's not including you in the net, you're okay. Yeah, they said that's absolutely fine, so long as it's only coffee, because they're short on staff. So we're going to do that for an hour's break, because it's going to be a really, really hot one today. So we need to make sure we stay hydrated and have loads of stops, so that we can recuperate. So I'm not going to stop too long here, because I want to finish my coffee. I'll give you the situation on Kev's bike. They've done an amazing job with this, but yeah, I don't know about this, but he's riding with a tractor battery to get him through today, and then he's made the really sensible decision to get his bike recovered tonight. I'm not happy with that, really. It's a bit of, yeah, but we'll keep an eye on him. We'll keep him middle of the pack so people can make sure he's okay, and we'll get him up to Sligo tonight. And then he's getting the bike picked up and shipped back to the UK. And I need to ring Stena Line today and ask them if they can help us out, because he's obviously got a bike passenger ticket. Now, I would have thought common sense would be, well, it's not your fault your bike's not here, carry on regardless. But people can be funny in this world. They might turn and go, well, if you're not on the bike, you're not getting in. They wouldn't do that, I hope. But anyway, we need to make sure that they're not going to be annoying about it. So I'm going to ring them later and get that sorted. Our next video will probably be this Ballycroy, Ginger and Wild and Ginger Cafe. I will find out what they're correctly called and give them some shout outs later. But I'll just show you the bikes here. And over here is Unfailer, I think it was called, as modelled by Alan, just Alan. I think they were happy in there. I think we were in a different place last night. But what I'm just going to put Nathan on the spot a little bit, because Sarah mentioned last night this is the first time they've been apart for more than, what is it, 2-4 days or something like that?
Something like that, yeah.
Which is kind of, I mean, I know Degget had a similar thing last year with Lisa. They hadn't been apart for that long before, but I imagine that he is missing his kids, so I thought I'd give him a chance to say something to his family here. So let's put him on the spot.
Yes, missing you all, love you all, I'm having a great time, and I'll see you soon.
Awesome, there we go. So it's nice just to touch in every now and then. I don't think Wayne's missing anyone particularly, are you, mate? You're happy? You're all right, and you, Wayne? You're
missing you all.
Oh, there we go, there you go, see? Yeah. All right, rockers. We're going to be loading up and getting gone. So we will see you, hopefully, if I've got a signal in Ballycroy. If not, then it will be at the thing that I've been looking most forward to, down Patrick Head. When I saw that thing on my Google planning, I just kind of danced a little bit. It looks stunning. If the weather's going to stick like this, then we're going to have an absolute blast up there. So I'm looking forward to that. So either of those, we will see you then. Thank you to our sponsors, L&D Auto Body out of Blair Gowrie, Bennett's Motorbikes and Scooters, and Ready Motorcycle Tours. Come on, Craig, get in touch, man. And also a big shout to all of you who have been sharing the campaign page. Remember, we are giving love to 4 charities this year: Mental Health Motorbike, the Stroke Association, Alzheimer's, and UK Air Ambulances. And I will reiterate, all money donated to the UK Air Ambulances is filtered down to every single air ambulance charity across the UK. So your local air ambulance will benefit from what we're doing. So come on, people, share that with everyone you love and even those you hate, because you never know where it might reach. Stay safe, stay awesome, rocker out. Bye.